Welcome to the latest edition of Cardiovascular Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks, brought to you by LucidQuest. Advanced NanoTherapies announced that it has closed an oversubscribed Series B financing round of more than $31 million. The funding will support development of Surplus Duo, the company's dual-drug nanoparticle-coated balloon platform that combines paclitaxel and sirolimus for coronary and peripheral vascular applications. The financing highlights continued investment in next-generation drug delivery technologies and expansion of vascular treatment pipelines. Edwards Lifesciences received FDA clearance for Triformis Resilia, a surgical tricuspid valve replacement indicated for native or prosthetic tricuspid valve disease. The company describes the device as the first surgical valve specifically designed for tricuspid valve replacement. The clearance represents an important development in structural heart therapy and may influence future treatment decisions for patients with tricuspid valve disease. The Society of Cardiovascular Computed Tomography, in collaboration with the Society for Cardiovascular Angiography and Interventions, and endorsed by the American College of Cardiology, released a consensus statement aimed at standardizing acquisition, interpretation, and reporting of CCTA-derived fractional flow reserve. The guidance includes recommendations on image quality, heart rate control, nitroglycerin use, and lesion-specific reporting. The effort is intended to improve consistency in cardiovascular imaging workflows and support broader clinical adoption. Preparations continue for SCCT 2026, scheduled for July in San Diego. Organizers expect approximately 470 presentations across 15 tracks, with a focus on coronary plaque imaging, artificial intelligence, CT-FFR, photon-counting CT, and structural heart imaging. The meeting is expected to showcase emerging technologies and evolving applications of cardiac CT. Abbott issued a Class 2 recall involving Merlin PCS 3650 software used to interrogate, monitor, and program implantable cardiac devices. The recall addresses a risk of intermittent telemetry loss during pacing capture threshold testing with an AVIR leadless pacemaker. Abbott indicated that a software update is available to address the issue and support continued device use. Medtronic completed its approximately $550 million acquisition of Scientia Vascular. Scientia develops guide wires and catheter technologies used in neurovascular access and stroke procedures. The acquisition expands Medtronic's neurovascular portfolio and reflects ongoing investment in technologies designed to support complex stroke interventions. Penumbra received FDA clearance for Thunderbolt, a computer-assisted vacuum thrombectomy device for treatment of acute ischemic stroke. According to the company, Thunderbolt is the first computer-assisted vacuum thrombectomy system approved in the United States for stroke treatment. The clearance adds a new option to the evolving stroke intervention landscape and may increase competition within the neurovascular market. Anteris Technologies received clearance from France's ANSM to begin enrollment in French centers for the PARADIGM trial. The study will compare the DurAVR transcatheter heart valve against commercially available TAVI systems in patients with severe calcific aortic stenosis. The milestone expands the trial's geographic reach and supports continued evaluation of the DurAVR platform. Stay ahead in cardiovascular research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com.